Every parent's worst nightmare became a devastating reality for the Davey family when an unthinkable tragedy unfolded at Auburn South Primary School. Their beloved son, Jack, a bright and compassionate 11-year-old boy, was taken from them in what they describe as a senseless act of carelessness behind the wheel. And this is where it gets heartbreaking. The parents have publicly expressed that their son's life was stolen, leaving their family shattered beyond repair. The incident occurred last year when an SUV veered out of control, crashing through a fence at the school before colliding with a group of students seated at a table. Among those struck, young Jack suffered catastrophic injuries, including fatal trauma to his head and chest, while 4 others were injured but survived. The driver, Shema-un Ghazi Zuhaira, has since pleaded guilty to careless driving, a charge that has sparked outrage among the grieving family. In an emotionally charged courtroom scene at Melbourne Magistrates Court, Jack's parents delivered victim impact statements that left many in tears. "I swear I'm sorry. I'm really sorry." Miss Zuhaira sobbed audibly as Jack's father, Michael Davey, recounted the profound loss his family had endured. Speaking directly to the defendant, Mr. Davey broke down, describing how Jack brought 11 years of joy, love, and friendship into their lives. Now, instead of celebrating milestones or sharing laughter, he visits Springvale Cemetery just to feel close to his son. "I lie in the dirt and cry into his grave," he confessed, his voice trembling with grief. "Him being stolen from our world on October 29th last year has left me broken. You destroyed the life our family cherished. How dare you?" But here's where things get controversial. Despite the severity of the crash, Miss Zuhaira faces only a minor traffic offense rather than more serious charges like manslaughter. For Jack's parents, this feels like a slap in the face. They argue that labeling the event as mere careless driving diminishes the gravity of their unimaginable loss. If there is no charge for killing him, then where is his justice? Questioned Jack's mother, Jack Davey. She went on to highlight the qualities her son embodied: kindness, empathy, and warmth, and lamented that these traits will never again touch the lives of those around him. Details about the crash reveal both technical failures and human error. According to crash analysis presented in court, the vehicle struck the student's table at approximately 28 kilometers per hour, without any application of the brakes prior to impact. Prosecutors suggested that pedal misapplication, essentially pressing the accelerator instead of the brake pedal, may have played a role in the accident. Adding another layer of complexity, Ms. Zuhaira reportedly told paramedics at the scene, "I felt the car lost control. It just worked by itself. I want to control. It doesn't control." However, further investigation revealed no history of similar incidents involving unexplained acceleration in the same Toyota model. Ms. Zuhaira's defense team offered context surrounding her actions leading up to the crash. Her lawyer, Matthew Sanya, explained that she had been distraught earlier that day after being summoned to discuss behavioral issues concerning her own child, who also attended the school. He emphasized that his client, an Iraqi refugee, suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and now battles severe depression following the tragedy. "The utter tragedy caused by this incident must be acknowledged," Mr. Sanya stated, urging compassion for someone grappling with immense personal struggles. Yet, even with these mitigating factors, the question remains, does leniency serve justice? Should the legal system impose stricter consequences for such accidents, especially when they result in fatalities? These are questions worth debating, and ones that might divide opinion sharply. As the sentencing hearing approaches, one thing is certain: the scars left on the Davey family run deeper than any verdict could ever address. So we ask you, do you believe the current charges reflect accountability? Or should laws be reevaluated to ensure tragedies like this prompt meaningful change? Share your thoughts in the comments below.